Hello everyone, good morning.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too, thank you for asking. But before we start our activity today, let's pray together. Pray start, pray ends. And I think all of you are present today, right?
Yes.
Okay, for in today's lesson, I want you to look at this picture. Okay, so here's three apples, and I want you to tell which apple is the biggest one.
The yellow one.
The yellow apple. What about the green apple? How do you compare it with other apple? Okay, Alvin.
Green apple is smaller than yellow apple.
Okay, perfect. What about the red apple?
The red apple is the smallest of the among of apple.
Okay, perfect, Alvin. Thank you very much. And because you have answered it correctly, can you guess what will we learn today?
Comparison
Yes, degree of comparison. So here it is, degree of comparison. So I will explain what is degree of comparison and the types. I think all of you already know. Before that, for our learning objectives today, we will be able to identify the meaning and the types of degree of comparison, and also we'll be able to write down the degree of comparison. Okay, now let's talk about the degree of comparison. What is degree of comparison? Degree comparison refers to the different from an adjective to show varying levels and quality. It is about comparing two things or more. Okay, and there are three types of degree of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. So the positive degree of comparison is the base adjective and adverbs. So the example is big, happy, and fast. Can you give another example, please? Raise your hand. Just raise your hand. Alvin. Tall. Yes, correct. Thank you very much, Alvin. So tall is another example of degree of positive degree. And the comparative degree. So this form is to compare two things, indicating that one has more or less certain quality than the others. So the example is bigger, happier, or beautiful, or interesting. Can you give me another example? Kinanda?
Faster.
Faster. And Rena, maybe you have other idea?
Smaller.
Smaller. Very good. And next is superlative degree. This form is used to compare more than two things, indicating that one is the highest and or the lowest of a certain quality. The example is biggest, happiest, most beautiful, most handsome. And do you have any other example? Steffi? Lowest. Thank you, Steffi. Good. So I think you have already understand about this. Very great. So because you understand about this, I want to give you an individual test. So in this test, you have to identify the use of degree of comparison. So I will give you the worksheet. Here it is. I will give you 2 minutes for the time. Is it enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now do your best. Rena, do you face any problem? What about you, Nanda? No problem at all? Easy? What about you, Alvin? No problem? And Stevie?
Yes, sir.
Everything is alright?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, the time is up, everyone. You can give me the worksheet. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Good. From your answers, I think most of you have already understand this material. Very good. And the next is I want you to to make group. I think Reina and Nanda will be the first group, and Steffi and Alfian will be the second group. So we will work in a group for now. So for your group activity, I will give you another worksheet. That this worksheet needs you to identify what's wrong with the sentence and also give the reason why it is wrong. So it tests your understanding in depth. Okay? So here's the worksheet. Okay. Now work with your group collaboratively. Later on, you will present the result in front of the class, and happy working. And the time is 2 minutes, okay? Yes, Reina? Yes. Yes, you can ask which one. Yes, you will in front of the class, you will talk about the sentence, the mistake, and also the reason why you just that. Okay? Alfian's group, do you have any problem with the? You just need to just find the sentence and also the mistake it makes and also the reason. So because everything needs a reason. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Have you done it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want group 1 to present one of your answers result in front of class. Group 1, please come forward.
Okay, so for the first sentence, the sentence is he is the most tall in the class. So the mistake, incorrect use of most with a one syllable adjective.
So for the correction, the correct answer in the correct sentence, there is to be he is the tallest in the class. For the reason, for one syllable adjectives, we form the superlative degree by adding as to the end of the adjective.
Okay, thank you very much. Good answer. Please sit down. Give applause to group 1, everyone. For group 2, do you agree with group 1's answer?
Agree, sir.
Agree, sir.
Agree. Okay, now please present your result.
Okay, so our group discussed about the sentence is she is the beautifulest girl in the school. This sentence is have a problem. The incorrect is incorrect superlative form of 3 syllables adjective. The correction is
Okay, for the correction, she is the most beautiful girl in the school. The reason, so for the adjective with 3 or more syllables, we form the superlative degree by using most before the adjective.
Okay, great. Identify. So please sit down. Very good work. And give applause to group 2. What about group 1? Do you agree with group 2's answer?
Yes.
I think because you have already understand the material so well, so your answers are correspondingly similar to each other, and it's all correct. Thank you very much, everyone. So this is the last activity for our learning today, and who wants to conclude the material for today? Okay, Nanda?
So today we learn about the degree of comparison, which has 3 types. That is positive, comparative, and superlative degree, and it used to compare things.
Okay, very good conclusion, Nanda. Please give applause to Nanda. Others, do you have any opinion?
Same,
Same.
sir.
Okay. And before we end this class, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Everything is clear?
Yes.
Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much for attending this class, and see you next time when we learn about adjectives. Okay, please prepare yourself and see you next week.
Susan